Hello students, welcome to Chatty Coaching classes. We are learning the topic sets. In that we have learned the definition of set. What is the definition of set? Set is the collection of particular and definite things. It's called as set. Okay. After that we have studied how to write the sets. Okay. There are two methods of writing set. First is listing method and second one is the rule method. Then we have solved the practice set 1.1. After that we will study the types of set. See, there are four types of set named as singleton set, empty or null set. Third one is finite set and fourth and last one is infinite set. Okay, then we will see all the four types in details with definition and their examples. See, first one is singleton set. In name you can find the meaning of the set. Okay, the set consisting of single element in it. It's called as singleton set. What is meant by that? There is only one element in that set. That's why it is called as singleton set. See the example. A is the set of even prime numbers and even prime number is 2. So in this set only one element is there, that is 2. Therefore set A is called as singleton set because the set consists only one element. Next, empty or null set. See, if there is not a single element in a set, then it is called as empty set or null set and it is denoted by letter phi or just two curly brackets. Okay, empty set is the set who don't contain a single element in it. Is called as empty set or null set denoted by curly brackets having no element or by sign phi. Okay, see the example. B is a set of x such that x is a natural number between 2 and 3. So there is no natural number between 2 and 3. So B is a null or empty set or we will denote it by phi. This is the second type of the set. See, then third type of set is finite set. The number or elements in a set are limited and countable. Then we will call it as a finite set. So many examples fall in this class like days of week. You can count days of week. There are 7 days in a week and we can count them. So this set falls under the class finite set. We will see the example. C is the set of such p's. C is the set of all p's such that p is a number from 1 to 22 divisible by 4. See, the numbers divisible by 4 from 1 to 22 are 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. So in set C we have written those numbers and these are 5 numbers, we can count them. So we called it as a finite set. Once again, the number of elements are limited and countable, then such type of set is called as finite set. Last but not least, infinite set. The number of elements in set are unlimited and uncountable, then such type of set is called as infinite set. See, here the example, n is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. We can't count the numbers where this number line ends. So this is the example of infinite set. Natural numbers, whole numbers, integer, rational numbers, these all are the examples of infinite sets. We will revise once again. We are studying types of sets. There are 4 types of set named as singleton set, empty or null set, third type is finite set and fourth type is infinite set. First type is singleton set. A set consisting of single element in a set is called as a singleton set. Okay, example, we have seen the example. A is a set of even prime numbers. Even prime number is 2. There is only one element in a set. Therefore, set A is a singleton set. Next we have seen the second type of a set is empty or null set. It is denoted by curly brackets having no element in it and by sign phi. And the definition of this empty set is if there is not a single element in a set is called as empty set. Okay, there is not a single element in a set which satisfies the given condition, then it is called as empty or null set. Okay, example is B is the set of such that x is a natural number between 2 and 3. You all know there is no any natural number in between 2 and 3, so it will be null or empty set. Third type of set is finite set. See, the number or elements of set are unlimited and countable, then we call it as a finite set. Okay, the example is C is a set of all p's such that P is a number from 1 to 22 divisible by 4. You can get the numbers from 1 to 22 divisible by 4. Which are they? They are 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. There are total 5 numbers which we can count in a set C. Therefore, such type of set is called as finite set. Next one, infinite set. See, the numbers of element in set are unlimited and uncountable as well. This is called as infinite set. The example of infinite set is n, that is natural numbers. N denotes the natural numbers. Is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. There is no any limitation for this set. It get extends. So such type of set is called as infinite set.